Now I want to take just a couple minutes to take a little side route here, because one of the amazing things about the ocean, or about oceanographic research in recent years, has been the development of techniques for looking at genetic material that's not necessarily free-floating, but looking at the genetic material of all the microbes that are living in the ocean. It's a field of study called ocean genomics, and it's been really pioneered by Craig Venter, whose human DNA was one of the first to be sequenced. But basically what they're doing is taking huge volumes of water, filtering out the microbes that are on them, blasting them into some type of apparatus that I don't even really understand, and putting together their genetic code. They're really decoding all these different little microbes. And what they've found is quite extraordinary. In one study that was recently published, looking at water samples from 40 to 400, actually in this case 1,500 feet deep, if they look at DNA, which is that genetic code that they've never seen before, here's what they found. 20% of the DNA that they found in samples from 40 feet was completely unique. 35% was unique at 200 feet. 20% at 400 feet, 18% at 1,600 feet, 26% at 2,500 feet, 24% at 13,000 feet. What this is telling us is there's organisms out there, we don't even know what they are, we don't know what they do, they're just completely unique. Again, there's so much we don't know about the world ocean. It's a frontier for anybody just willing to dive in and try to take a look at it. This field, ocean genomics, is really revealing an entirely different world in the ocean than that which we knew before, even just 10 short years ago. And as I've written here, the discovery of these very unique microbes in the world ocean, it's really breathtaking for oceanographers. It truly is a remarkable set of discoveries, because it really says that our understanding of the ocean is really incomplete. And our understanding of the microbial processes, which are so important to the governing of the carbon cycle, the governing of productivity of the oceans for food, all these different issues that come out that are important to us, that the ocean's involved in, we've just barely touched the tip of the iceberg.